but I don't think it solves everything. And I'm kind of interested in when you have the sort of 10% of use cases where you need a bit more control, you need a bit more kind of scale, you need a bit more kind of lower level understanding and a bit more fine tuning of what you want to happen. I want to have that capability there for people. And I think this is a statement not just about my organization, but more widely in the data science space. And I think that's where Kubernetes is and the sort of the ecosystem around it. We could talk about Kubeflow and lots of other things which I'm really interested in. I think that's starting to enable people to think about those edge cases. So where you need really kind of dynamic scaling, or you need sort of really, really sharp resource allocation, or you just need something that bit different that's not taking care of the traditional platform as a service ML offering. I think we're now getting to a stage where the data scientists, the ML engineers should feel more comfortable reaching for it. So the journey I've been on is really, how do I help sell that vision to people? So in the book, which the second edition's about to come out in the next few weeks, I've now got a really large section where I go through really practical examples using Kubeflow. So I sort of tell the reader, who I assume is an engineer, software engineer interested in data science, or a data scientist interested in more the engineering side, I sort of go through and tell them, this isn't terrifying, this isn't scary. This is just another pipelining tool. This is another way to look at the question of have a model, have a process, and deploy it. And if you've played with things like ZenML, or I talk about that in the book as well, or Airflow or whatever, Kubeflow is just a variant of that with the Kubernetes flavor. And I see that as a kind of gateway, a sort of gateway for people to get more into the Kubernetes, so that if they actually say, no, I want to build more of a really kind of low-level web application that's going to have ML in it, but it's going to have lots of other stuff, and I think Kubernetes fits the bill. I would like it to be the case where if you've played with Kubeflow and you've had that entry, sort of that gateway into it, you're a bit less terrified to take that leap.